Right. Let's talk about Egypt. When you think of driving in Egypt, you probably picture the chaos of Cairo, car horns, bumpers, and a haze of exhaust. For decades, the Egyptian street has been ruled by petrol engines, but something is changing. Now, there's a new sound, or rather a lack of it, the quiet hum of electric cars. A revolution is brewing, powered by lithium-ion batteries and electric motors. Egyptians are starting to ask, can't we do better? Plugging in your car is becoming normal in cities like Alexandria and Cairo. This isn't just a fad, it's a real shift in how people think about transport. With rising petrol prices, smoggy air, and government support, the move to electric just makes sense. The roar of engines is fading, replaced by the gentle whir of electric motors, a sign of big change ahead. Why switch to electric? Let's start with money. Running an EV is much cheaper, electricity costs less than petrol, and maintenance is minimal. No oil changes, no exhausts, no endless repairs, just plug in and go. Over a year the savings add up fast. Then there's the environment. Egypt's cities struggle with air pollution, but EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions. Cleaner air means healthier lives for everyone. And the driving experience? Electric cars are smooth, silent, and quick. Perfect for city traffic. Instant acceleration, no gear changes, and a calmer commute. It's a better way to drive, and it's catching on. You save money, breathe cleaner air, and enjoy the ride. The real question isn't, why go electric? It's, why not? For many Egyptians, the answer is clear. The future is electric.